Morning everyone. We got a pretty special video today, so yeah, please don't leave. I'm with Ken. And yeah, just yeah, please watch the video and see what happens, because you're not going to want to miss this.
But this is one of the most incredible collections of not just Ferraris, there's also a Lambo here, so don't worry, you Ferrari haters.
So we're at Mr. Miura's. We've been helping Sam out. Yeah, I'm not going to film an awful lot. I'd rather you guys go watch his video on that. But yeah, he's about to get a ride in the Ferrari Enzo. So yeah, we'll let you know how everything goes. We are following Sam in the Enzo. We are going to a super special place. Again, please watch this video and you'll find out. But yeah, stay tuned. So guys, we had a bit of a thing go on. Not going to go into details, but we are now ready to go. Sam's in the car and yeah. Oh, okay. Google translating compliments.
Yeah.
Oh man. We are having lunch, and in my custody I have...
Should I shuffle? I don't know. Do you want to be on camera together? How does this work?
No?
Keep it, okay.
Mr. See-through glass.
I feel like, is that quite a Japanese formal thing everyone is called Mr. something? Or are you just trying to be very polite? I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Yeah, we're having a pretty good morning, aren't we?
Yeah.
I don't know whether I should tease that a little, I don't know how much you filmed so far, but it's been a pretty good morning. A lot of overshot B-roll, a lot of like soft focus, slow-mo, moody B-roll. It used to be very jazzy music. I used to have lots of sort of like slightly porno jazzy music. It's got a bit more rock and roll these days, so I wouldn't say that defines it. But yes, it should always be a story, A to B. That should, I hope an STG video is a story A to B. Well, considering that the man here claims to have watched one of my videos, and I'm about to get in his car and drive it, that's got to be pretty high. Oh, that's a really good question. I'm not really sure, like, I'm always kind of blown away by the people that have seen my videos. I don't know, it's always cool to meet different people and chat, and whether I met an amazing guy in Brisbane, who's not particularly well, but is trying to start his own YouTube channel and loves my videos and said it was an inspiration. That was amazing, just as someone like Mr. Miura watching it. It's just as incredible, so yeah. I always say Jaguar F-Type. It's the go-to. Like it was such a special car for like my channel, the history of my channel, for what I was doing in my life, and it was so good. It did everything, and it sounded amazing. So yeah, F-Type. Sure, please crack on. That's what we're doing. Oh my God, where do I begin? The lack of time. 24 hours is not enough time in the day, and 12 months is not enough time to travel the world. There's just no time to do anything. I don't have enough time to see the things that I want to see, to film the stuff I want to film, to edit the videos that I want to edit. There's simply no time, but I worked out 3 or 4 weeks in, I had to enjoy myself. Because I would say that maybe the first 3 weeks I didn't enjoy it. I was working at such a rate, I didn't know where I was. I couldn't tell you one thing I'd seen, one video I'd filmed. It was just... So I stopped and I said, okay, I must ensure that I carve out time to enjoy the moments and enjoy what I'm doing. And hopefully then the videos will speak for themselves. But yeah, the hardest part is for sure the lack of time and the stuff that people don't see. Because on days like today, people are like, what a day. But obviously when we finish, I got to go back and it's 3 or 4 hours worth of editing before I've done emails, before I've planned tomorrow. Our food is ready. Anyway, so should we go and collect? Or you want to... let's go collect. Leave it running. It'll be a nice thing. it out. We've got a katsu curry on the roll now. Looking pretty safe. Mr. Miura, what's going on? What have you got? A sandwich? Oh wow, okay. Very nice. Very, very neatly packed sandwich. But everyone else has gone for katsu curry, so yeah, we'll win. What do I have to say? Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Great question. A lot of people ask that when I announce Drive the World. What are you going to do next? I don't know. There's so much ahead. There's so much still to work out for this year that I haven't had time to think about what I'll do once it's over. But I have a few plans in the back of my head. But for now, it's just about focusing on the next 12 months. No one's asked that, so nice question. Iceland? I don't think Iceland's on the list at the moment, and I've heard it's a pretty cool place to go and drive. So yeah, that would probably be the one place that's not currently included. Excuse me while I bite into my katsu curry. Oh, that's a good question, isn't it? Let's make sure I don't get any wrong. N64 office. Oh, I tell you what, I went out in Hong Kong, a Mugen RR, a Civic Mugen RR. That was a cool car. Very, very cool car. I've also always had a soft spot for the Tommy Mackinnon edition Evo.
Yes.
Which literally about 2-3 years ago, I started looking at buying one because I thought it was a car that was going to go up in price. And you could import them from Japan at that time for like 15 or 20 grand. Now you try and do it, 50 or 60 grand.
Yeah.
So that was a missed opportunity.
Oh wow. And then just
up. I don't like the Ital design. Yeah, not a fan. That's awful. Because where else is doing it in the world? Like, come on, it's brilliant, brilliant. Ask Mr. Miura what he thinks. Well, based on the fact that I just thumbs up crazy modified Lamborghinis because they're different, I've got to go thumbs up again. It's wacky. Don't be scared to modify to class people. Why not? If that's his taste, that's his taste. Are we going to see that? Probably not.
Small chance.
Small chance. I mean, wow, that's... Can I do a wavering? Yeah. I can't really decide on that one. It's not Japanese, but yeah. It's got Ferrari at the beginning, so always thumbs up.
thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm sorry that I was eating on camera. That's disgusting, but man's got to eat.
You ready?
アンドレ、アンドレ、もう15年目だってこれ15年目乗ってんの15年。
15年間も持ったの？
そうだよ2004年。
行ったらもっと緊張しちゃうよ。
いやいいよそんなこといいから。
Okay, so he's had this car for 15 years.
15 years.
He just want to let you know.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, well let's make sure you have it for another 15 years. Narrow this pedal box is and how big my shoes are, but anyway, it's an auto, not a...
ここは普通に流していくからってスピード違反がとかカメラがあるから。
Mr. Seen Through Glass in the Enzo, having a wonderful time, I hope. We have arrived at Racing Service Dino, our secret location. So many things lead to one another. We are in Racing Service Dino. we just had a very nice chat, or tea as well, with Mr. Ferrari and Mr. Miura, and now we are amongst 488, 456, Testarossa 360s. Yeah, very nice Ferrari showroom here, run by Mr. Ferrari himself. We got 599, 488, 612, and Mr. Miura's Enzo outside. So yeah, we were really just talking about the history that the two share, Mr. Ferrari's kind of claim to fame, you know, everything he did, and Sam is upstairs filming a video, so I think I might go follow him now.
Upstairs, racing service, some pretty insane things here, including this 512 BB, or is it the 360?
360. Oh, what am I saying? Down 458 challenge car right over here. We got 360 challenge car back there. Yeah, all good. Got people working on cars, 458s, another BB 360, and here's a plug: Racing Service Dino. That's the shop. Google it. We got the BB split Charlotte 456. We are in Mr. Kirikae's, I think, private collection. We've got some more challenge cars over there. We've got 430, 360, 355. Yeah, and we've got the two men themselves meeting.